So this is how you set up your hotel management software. The first thing is you log into your dashboard. You click on the software login, then you put your email and password if you have created an account already. If you've not created an account, just create your account, then you log in. Now, when you're in your dashboard, there are a lot of things you see. You can add your rooms. You can be able to manage your hotel. You can be able to see the bookings in a day. You can be able to see the number of rooms you have, the occupancy rate. All of this data is presented in your dashboard. One of the first things you can do is to manage your hotel, manage your staff, manage different products. All of these things you can do it easily here. So you can check the drop down here to see the list of things that you can also do. It just shows you a list of things in case you want to navigate to any part of the page very easily. So here we start. We'll scroll down the page. Then you can now start by checking the rooms. So the way we check the rooms, you click on rooms. And you can do it by adding new rooms. If you're a free user, you can add more than 3, but it just upgrade to be able to add as many rooms as possible. So you just write the room number. If you have a room number, maybe 103, 405, 201, number depending on the number of ways your rooms are. Then the category of how the room is, maybe it's a standard room, deluxe, depending on how you name it. Then you click on add room. So automatically the add room, you can be able to see the list of rooms you've added. And if you're a free user, you can just add 3. But if you're a premium user, you've upgraded your account, you can add as many rooms as you wish. So once you added your room, you see your rooms here. Then you can see different things you can do also. You can actually tell that the room, you can place it that the room is dirty, is vacant. Whatever you click will be updated in the front end. Now, the next thing we want to do now is to come over and check on product. We check on guests. Now, how do you create a guest account? A guest is someone that comes to check in your hotel. You can create a guest account by clicking on guest. So the guest can release his name, if he has email, fine. If he doesn't have his phone number, and all these details can be written there. His name, his email, his phone number. If he doesn't have an email, fine. If he has an email, it's good, because the advantage of having an email is that the guest can use that email account to be able to also log in. His email and his last name can use to log in through your platform to see the products that you have, to see the rooms that you have. You can see all of those things. So, and the guest can also create account by himself through your platform too. So that's easy. So you can book a room for the guest. If your guest want to book a room, click on book room. Now you can check here by clicking a new reservation. So we need to check. The first thing you can do is to just search for the guest name. You can just click on guest. Just click on guest. The guest here created is Lola and Lao. Then it prefills itself. Then you can also check which room that is available for the guest. You can just type 103, 104, it depends. Then the dates that the guest wants to use and the dates that he wants to check out, you put it there. The next thing you want to do is to be able to give how many nights. So to calculate how many nights based on the hour per night basis in terms of how much you kept for per night. So once you have done the click on reservation, it is reserved. Now, if it's reserved in different ways. As the client paid, has he made payment? Is it just booking? Or whatever it is. If it is just booking, it's under booking. If he has made payment, yeah, it's under payment paid. So once he has made payment, it will update automatically, and you will see that payment has been made. And if you even go to the front end, your dashboard, you'll be able to see that it has been updated and that payment has been made. So you can be able to see the payment made. The way it's good is you can see the payment made for the rooms. You can see payment made for the restaurant and bar in case the client is also going to buy some things in the restaurant and in the bar. You can see the payment made there. So this helps you to manage your restaurant and bar and helps you to manage your hotel. So you can manage your rooms and manage your restaurant and bar easily. To add products, you come here, you click on product, add product. One of the first things we tell people to do is to create a category first, because it's good to put products in categories. So if you create a category, like I have food category, I have drink category, you can now decide to put products in the category that they belong. If I'm creating a new product like Coke we bring in drink category. If I'm creating a solid food product, that one will be in food category. So it now depends on how the categories are for you. Like here now, this is actually Fanta. Fanta should be in the drink category. And in fact, you can even specialize. You can put soft drinks category, hard drinks category, alcohol category, whatever category you put. It's very easy for you to be able to know how your business is structured. Structure it very easily. Then if you want to add picture, you can add. If you don't want to add picture, fine. Just select the amount of product that is available for you. So yeah, the next thing we can do is to do a point of sale. So point of sale is when the customer comes into your restaurant and wants to buy. You can easily just make payment, sell for the customer. How? Open your point of sale, check out what the customer wants to buy. Maybe it's Fanta or Coke or whatever it is. How many products does he want to buy? Just type it there. Maybe 4 or 5 or 10 or whatever amount he wants to buy. Then you check out. How do you check out? Is it cash? Is it transfer? Whatever remains of payment, just complete payment. Once payment is complete, yes, you can print out your receipt. If there's a receipt machine or soft copy, then also you go to the front dashboard, you see that it is updated, then every sale made is updated and is actually placed in the category of restaurant. So you can see it's so easy for you to manage your restaurant and bar and manage your hotel, manage your rooms easily. Other aspect you can manage is including, you can see your sales for the day here. You break down, see the sales that you have for the day. And you can even go down to see what were the things that were sold, who sold it. If you have staffs, which of your staff sold it, you see the staff name. You can even print receipt also in this place. So the whole goal is for you to be able to manage your hotel very easily all on one platform and then manage all the sales, track your inventory, track your sales, track your profit. So you know what your business is doing in real time. Now, if you open a restaurant and bar, you see that in the restaurant, you can see the list of items you have. You can open the rooms, we can see the list of rooms you have. You can see all of these things all at a glance so easily on. If you open a restaurant and bar, you can see the products that you have. You can open the point of sale to sell a product for a walking customer. Then it's all so easy to do. Next thing we want to look at now is basically how to add staffs. So you can be able to add staffs and give them specific roles, maybe as a housekeeper, different roles that. So the goal is for adding staffs, you can give them specific roles. Maybe someone is going to be a manager, who's going to manage the branch, and then they have specific responsibilities. You can also determine what they can be able to do. So this is how easy it is to be able to manage your staffs, manage your business, manage and track all of that. You can even add expenses, so you can have a way to be able to check how much you're actually spending. So it has an expenses. When you click on more below, you'll be able to see expenses. So expenses, you can be able to know how much you're actually spending and track everything easily. So basically that's the short description of the app. You can actually explore to see more things around it and be able to benefit maximally from all that the app contains. All right, have a wonderful day.